Hey guys, 20 gram airsoft. Backyard war, number whatever, I don't even know. And so, 1v1, me versus Ann. I got a new mount, so that it's starting to rain. So, I'm gonna take hot tub so I don't get water on my gun.
Okay.
We'll do it for the sprinkler. Alright, so let's get started. I have it on a head mount that I put under my mask.
And if it starts downpouring or raining kind of hard, we're gonna go in.
Alright. Alright, this probably looks a lot better for you guys. Ready? And stop!
What happened?
Neighbors. Nah, we'll be good. Never mind.
Wait.
No, they're in Nadia's backyard. No, they're in Nadia's backyard. Oh, much better. My hop up was messed up.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, by the way, guys, got my laser on. You can see that. All right, ready?
Go!
Stop. Time out. All right, call the time back in.
Waiting on Kaylee. Wait, time out. Kaylee, put a mask on. I don't have mine. I'm using this one. Oh, okay. Well, go get the mask in the garage.
Did I get you?
No, it missed.
Oh, I thought it skimmed your arm.
No, it just missed.
I hit. Alright, guys. Okay, so that was quite a long match. And so, yeah, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next one. Wait, that was
Got
not
you
good.
right in the back.
Oh, by the way, before I end this video, there should be another Battlegrounds episode coming up, or already up, depending on when I decide to post this video. So be sure to watch that. So thanks for watching, and bye.